Hey guys, welcome to Placements Prep. Today we are going to discuss regarding an important job opportunity of Goldman Sachs. That is, Goldman Sachs company is going to hire engineering graduates of 2021 as well as 2022. So, to get more details regarding this, please watch this video till the end. Don't skip this video, and I will be providing in detail regarding each and every steps how to apply to this drive. So I will be providing link in the description. Click on that link. After clicking on that link, a page opens like this. It gives you all the information regarding the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is the persons who are graduating in 2021, they will be having full time and they may be taken in May or June, and the persons who are graduated in 2022, they will be hired as intern. So this program type is both internship and full time. Internship is for graduates passed out in 2022 and full time is for graduates passed out in 2021, and the city location will be Bangalore, and the deadline for this is already it is open. Applications are open from January 20 and it closes on February 8 2021. So don't wait till that date expires to get registered before. Mainly ask you your college ID proof as well as your resume. If both are available to you, then proceed with the application. And this assessment starts from mid February to mid March, that is either it may be from February 13 to March 13, and interviews will be held in the month of March or April. And as you all know, eligibility will be for 2021 it is full time and 2022 it is an summer internship. So if you scroll this, you will be seeing a button registered. So click on that register. After clicking on register, a page displays like it will ask you regarding your first name, last name. First it will ask you, as you are a new user, it asks you to register as a new user. Please click on that register as a new user. Then it will ask you first name, last name, email ID, place of study, and university name. If your college name is not found, please select other and provide your college name. And degree, if you are BA BTech, select bachelor's, and if you are MTech, select as masters. And expected graduation date, either it may be 2021 July or June, you can select either of that. And major subject, any streams are eligible to apply for this drive. As of now, I am selecting information security, or else information science or information systems. And if you scroll here, you will see gender, prefer your gender, and it will ask you indicate your race. You can select prefer not to say. And do you have military experience? No. And disability also no. And here next, upload your resume and generate password and confirm that password. Give a tick mark that I acknowledge I have read the applicable privacy notice and click on submit. After that, a page opens like this. And now what you will do is again go back to the same link which I have given in the description. Again click on that, and again a page opens like this. And if you scroll here, it displays online assessment date, that is February 13 2021, and some of the instructions regarding the assessment. So please go through those, and by scrolling it, you will be getting displayed. Again it will ask you to upload your resume, and it will display your gender, and it also indicates your venue details. That will be, as it is a pandemic situation, it will be going to be online mode. And next, upload your resume and click on register. After doing all these, after clicking register, again a page opens like this and it will ask your contact number, work experience, college ID, and how did you hear about Engineers Campus Hiring Program. That is, you can select YouTube and fill all these fields and click on submit. It will show that you have successfully applied for this drive, and further communication will be communicated to you through your mail ID, and every communication will be received to your mail ID. Please go on checking your mail IDs and be prepared to this campus drive. And for more job updates and job opportunity notifications, please stay tuned to my channel, and till we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.